Hi everyone. If you checked out my last video, I'm on a mountain biking road trip. My first stop was camping at Peace River Campground. Then I hit Alafaya mountain biking trails. Now I'm heading over to Orlando, where I'll be staying the night at a Cracker Barrel for the first time. Then in the morning, I'll be hitting a small trail system called Orlando Mountain Bike Park. If you're on the road a lot, they get a Planet Fitness membership. That way they can shower and work out because they are everywhere.
Hot rod
Go on a little mountain biking road trip and make it as simple as possible. Window now covers, so I can roll down my windows, let it breeze in, but no bugs can get in.
Gotta make me look a lot better in the videos. You know that first video where I landed and I freaking bounced 3 times? I think that's why they called me. They saw that, they're like, we can't have that. So.
On my way to Orlando Mountain Bike Park. This whole park is a part of this executive airport airspace, so I can't fly here. So they have a ton of wood features to warm up on, a nice skill section with some skinnies. And then over to the left, they have a small dirt jump area. Everything here looks within my skill level. I don't really know. Alright, this is all pretty easy stuff. Let's see. Jeez. Yes. Whew. That's actually a little bit scary. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna go put my drone bag in the car, then run some of the trails. But they do have a black diamond section right here. Oh, here's the black diamonds. Oh. Nice. Let's see what we got here. Nice. Kind of a rock garden. I see this on the other side of the fence. It looks like it could be a little bit challenging. I don't know how to get to the other side of this fence. I think they have it blocked off. And it says no trespassing. Cool, here it is. Advanced trails ahead. Oh, look at this thing. That's what I saw from the... Nice. Nice. Not bad. All the small wooden features that are kind of spread between are what make it really fun. Oh my god. Wow, this is actually pretty big. Oh, this is that black drop section. Wow. Just as I was saying, this park is fun because it has a bunch of small wooden features. I run across this. A couple of big wooden features. Here is the last and biggest feature, but the least scary because you can roll the whole thing. And then right after that drop section, it spits you right back out to the skill section right in the beginning. Nice. I guess that's the whole trail. Whoa. Oh, they also have a bike maintenance section. Made it back just in time to beat the rain.